Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Tom Yum Goong is my favorite Thai soup of all time. You can also find it in any Thai restaurants all around the world. And today, I want to show you how you can easily make it in your own kitchen. Soak the dry kaffir lime leaves in hot water for 5 minutes. I couldn't find the fresh ones, so I ordered the dry ones on Amazon. Drain and tear the leaves in halves. Slice the lemongrass into 1-inch pieces. You can find lemongrass in most Asian supermarkets or online. You can use the fresh or frozen one. Peel and slice the galangal. Galangal can also be found in most Asian supermarkets or online. And again, you can use the fresh or the frozen one. Slice the red chili peppers. Traditionally, Thai people use this bird's eye chili, but I couldn't find any in my local supermarkets, so I used this one instead. Slice the mushrooms in halves. Traditionally, Thai people use straw mushrooms, but unfortunately, I haven't seen any of those here in the US. Cut them in halves. Squeeze out the juice, and if there's any seeds, remove them. Remove and reserve the shrimp heads. Devein and peel the shrimp. Set aside. In a pot over high heat, pour in the water and return the shrimp heads. Bring it to a boil. Continue to cook for 5 minutes. Scoop out any forms on top. Remove the heads. And I'm gonna filter the shrimp stock with a cheesecloth and a strainer. In the stock over high heat, bring it to a boil. Transfer in the kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, galangal, red chili peppers, mushrooms, and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Season the soup with Thai chili paste and soybean oil. It's also available in most Asian supermarkets. Fish sauce and sugar. Bring it to a boil. Now we're gonna return the shrimp and cook it until pink. Turn off the heat and pour in the lime juice and add some cilantro. It is citrusy, spicy, so aromatic, so delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode as well. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. Bye for now.